Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Gemini, specifically its Nano Banana feature, to help upscale and increase the image quality of old photos. So I've got an older photo here. You can see that it was taken pretty much a decade ago, over a decade ago. So the quality isn't that great and the resolution also isn't that great. But let's say I wanna restore this photo because I just want a keepsake of one of my older dogs. So I'm gonna go ahead here, go to gemini.google.com. You should be greeted with this landing page. I'm going to add a file, gonna upload the photo, and then I'm going to feed it our prompt. So I want to increase the quality of this image. I want to remove the noise and increase the resolution and fidelity. So that looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and press enter, and it should automatically call the Nano Banana feature. There we go, loading a Nano Banana 2, and it's going to take a second or two to process and generate a new image from our old one. So here's our final product. Very lifelike, pretty much exactly how my older dog used to look like, and very satisfied with the output. So I'm gonna go ahead and click download full size, and let's give it a look. So we can see that the image quality is a lot better than earlier. There's practically no noise and the image looks really sharp. So yeah, that's how you can use Google Gemini and Nano Banana to help increase image quality. Hope you were able to learn something new, and thank you for watching.